A super cute pineapple drawstring pouch, perfect for earbuds, lip balm, coins, or other tiny essentials. Cinch it and carry it by hand, or add a strap to wear it crossbody. I'm using a fingering weight cotton yarn with a 2.0mm hook. Start with a magic ring, chain 1, then work 6 single crochet into the ring. Pull the ring tight. Slip stitch to the first single crochet, then chain 1. Round 2, increase in every stitch, so 2 single crochet in each stitch for a total of 12. Slip stitch to join and chain 1. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat that 6 times for 18 stitches. Round 4 is single crochet increase, single crochet, repeat 6 times for 24 stitches. Join, then chain 2 to switch to double crochet. Round 5 is the popcorn round, worked in the back loop only. In the first stitch, work 5 double crochet into the same stitch. Count them out as you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, double crochet. Now pull up a big loop. Count back to the 5th double crochet. Insert your hook there, pull through the big loop, then chain 1 to lock the popcorn. That makes 1 popcorn stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Repeat popcorn, then double crochet, all the way around. Here it is, one more time. 5 double crochet in the same stitch, then pull up a big loop. Insert your hook into the 5th double crochet, pull through the loop, and chain 1. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, and keep repeating to finish the round. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the top of the first popcorn, and chain 2. Now we offset the texture. Work a double crochet on top of each popcorn, and the popcorn where the plain double crochet was. For each popcorn, pull up the loop, go into the 5th double crochet, pull through, and chain 1. Keep alternating 1 double crochet and 1 popcorn stitch. When you finish the round, slip stitch to the first double crochet and chain 2. On the next rounds, keep that offset going. Make popcorn stitches on top of the double crochet stitches, and double crochet on top of the popcorn stitches. Repeat that swap pattern until your pouch is the height you want. Join the round and fasten off. Turn the pouch to the inside. With a yarn needle, slip stitch around the top edge, catching the left and right loops, to cinch it in. Pull your yarn up in any double crochet, chain 2, then double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 2. In the next double crochet stitch, work 1 double crochet and chain 2, repeat 1 double crochet and chain 2 all the way around. Slip stitch to join to the first double crochet and chain 1. Now we are ready for the leaves. For the leaf base, work for single crochet across, single crochet in the same spot, single crochet in the space, single crochet on the double crochet, and single crochet in the next space. Chain 1 and turn. Rows 2 through 4 are 4 single crochet across. Chain 1 and turn at the end of each row. Row 5, single crochet in the first stitch, then single crochet 2 together, over the next 2 stitches, then single crochet in the last stitch. That leaves 3 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Rows 6 through 9, 3 single crochet across each row. Chain 1 and turn each time. Row 10, single crochet, then single crochet 2 together, for 2 stitches. Rows 11 through 13, 2 single crochet across each row. Row 14, single crochet 2, together to leave 1 stitch. Rows 15 and 16, 1 single crochet each row. Turn to the right side. Slip stitch once in the center, then slip stitch down at row 1 to shape and secure the leaf. That is 1 leaf done. Start the next leaf the same way with the 4 single crochet base. Single crochet on the double crochet, single crochet in the space, single crochet on the double crochet, and single crochet in the space. Work the rest of the leaf exactly like the first. Make 6 leaves total, then slip stitch to join to the first leaf and fasten off. Now for the flower. Make a magic ring and chain 2 to start. Inside the ring, work 3 double crochet, then chain 2. Slip stitch back into the ring to finish 1 petal. Make 5 petals total. Finish the remaining petals, then fasten off and pull the tail to close the ring tight. For the drawstrings, chain about 70 stitches. Make 2 cords. Weave them through the eyelets using an over-under pattern. Weave the second cord from the opposite direction. Glue the flower to the front center. Secure the cord ends behind it, and add a strap if you want a crossbody. Your pineapple drawstring pouch is finished.